Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over the syllabus with you briefly. Um, just parts of it. Obviously you're going to read it on your own. There were a few parts of the syllabus I wanted to highlight, starting with my contact information, just so you can see that my email address is here. My cell phone number is also here if you need to call me, or if you would like to email me and set up a time when you would like to talk on the phone. Sometimes it's a little easier to communicate that way than over the email. So if you need to do that, please let me know. And you can feel free to call me since I don't have any live office hours and everything is virtual. So I also have virtual office hours where we can meet in the live chat room and on Tuesday evenings and Saturday mornings or by appointment if you need it. There's three major websites that we're going to use for the course. Obviously the eCollege site. There will also be a wiki for the course. And if you click on in the eCollege site, you'll see there's a link to the wiki. And we will also use Thinkfinity, mostly for a small group discussion. The class is broken down into 6 modules altogether, and they vary in length depending on the breadth and scope of what we're going to do in the module. Module 1 is much shorter, of course, only 1 week, and basically we're just going to introduce ourselves and get acclimated to eCollege and get onto Thinkfinity and kind of get used to the course and just begin. So that particular module will be a little bit shorter than say some of the other ones. But you can see all the deadlines and activities and readings and everything are broken down for you on the syllabus by module. These are the required texts, which I told you in the introduction that we'll be using. 2 textbooks, and then of course the technology standards for New Jersey and the national standards. In terms of assignments, there's 4 major assignments. Online discussion. You're going to create a blog about your education experiences, and you can read more about that on the syllabus. You'll have a website design project and a classroom implementation project. And all of these are just discussed in detail on the eCollege site and on the syllabus. Please review the technology policy. It's always a good idea to have a plan B if something goes wrong with your computer, and just make sure everything's working. Maybe you want to get things done a little bit early. It always seems that something's going to go wrong with your computer. It goes wrong when something is due. That's certainly been my experience. So it's always a good idea to have backups. And I would recommend that you also do your writing in Word and then copy and paste, just so it doesn't get lost. Please be reminded about etiquette, professional communication, and being courteous and respectful of your peers. There's deadlines for each of the assignments, and they're throughout the eCollege site, more for your convenience so you don't have to keep going back and forth. Obviously we're online, so participation is a little bit different. To actively participate in an online course, make sure you're logging in frequently, answering discussion questions, participating in the Thinkfinity group discussions, getting your work in on time, just pacing yourself and making sure that you're keeping up with the deadlines, the readings, etc. In this part of the syllabus, you'll see all of the assignments are discussed in more detail. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask. You can either email me or meet me in the chat room or whatever is convenient for you. And then the rest of the syllabus outlines the readings and the deadlines, and you can go through that and map out your deadlines as needed. Okay, so if you are If you need me to answer any questions about the syllabus, just let me know. And if you're having any issues with the college site or anything else, please let me know, and I will help you as best I can and get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so I will be seeing you on the eCollege site, and I look forward to working with all of you.